Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video it is my pleasure that I can share video unboxing and a first look of a new real steel knife that I got. This will be a Gslip compact with another Micarta variant that I got. So I was really happy to find this one because I had the Gslip compact in the Burgundy Micarta, which was the Handy Haynes dealer exclusive, and when I found this one I was really stoked that finally I will have something which is brown, mainly because I do collect brown Micarta handle scales knives. But when I received it, and let's hear me out, on the pictures it looked a little bit greenish, yeah, I must say. But now it is time to make a video and show it to you in a really good lighting conditions as far as possible. So this will be the 7865BM Gslip compact slip joint, and it says yeah, brown Micarta. So inside the box some informations. It says here canvas Micarta, okay. Some information about different lock types that they have, and of course the knife itself. So it comes packaged in this real steel microfiber cloth, and here's the knife itself. So I don't know, maybe it is just my eyes or my perception of this color, but to me this one looks more greenish, brown greenish than normal green, sorry, the normal brown, but let's say it is still brown, and I will in the later part compare this with the natural brown canvas Micarta that they have on a full-size version. So now let me give the specifications like I usually do. So this is designed by Ostap Hel. You can probably see his design language right here, and also his name on the other side, nicely and proudly depicted. The model number is 7865BM, like I mentioned. This is a slip joint, overall length 17.5 centimeters, 6.9 inches. Blade 7.7 or 3 inches, blade width 1.7 centimeters, 0.66 inches, blade thickness 1.8 millimeters or 0.07 inches. Handles are 9.8 centimeters or 3.85 inches long, with a thickness of 8.2 millimeters or 0.32 inches. That is obviously without the pocket clip. I usually measure always without the pocket clip. So on the blade we have VG10 with the satin finish and draw point configuration. A nice long fuller functions as a long pull for your nail nick opening feature. The Micarta is canvas Micarta. It looks really similar or close to linen, but I did make some high resolution photos and did really check out the grain, and the linen Micarta is even finer. So yes, we will think that it is canvas, but if you look at it from afar, and like I mentioned, this is some kind of green gray linen Micarta, and this brown Micarta, they look a little bit similar. This part, the flat part here, is the polished, and the contouring is raw, also untreated. As far as pivot assembly goes, there are probably some kind of bronze washers inside. We have a half stop at around 65 degrees. really smooth action, nice centering, polished backspring, a hidden linear attachment post or hole, and like I always appreciate, a really nicely designed deep carry wire pocket clip, ambidextrous. So this is a really excellent full ambidextrous slip joint, modern slip joint pocket knife that can be enjoyed by left and right-handed users. So always when I have the chance to pick one of these designs from Ostap Hel, from Real Steel, there definitely go above and beyond to make it as user-friendly as possible. As you can see, we have a full thread grounded blade here, the drop point configuration. Now let's see the sharpness out of the box. So I expected nothing less, so really nice and sharp. On the blade we have the Real Steel logo, Ostap Hel design, and VG10 marking on the bottom right there. Really nice functional drop point design for your everyday tasks. So now let's see the pocket profile. So excellent. Since the part underneath the pocket clip is polished, it is smooth, it will go inside and outside the pocket without any problem, any snagging points. And yes, they are using these really nice oversized screws that are flat. So another big thumbs up for the designer and the company who is making these. As far as weight goes, we have 47 grams or 1.66 ounces. So definitely a really nice lightweight knife. And as far as the this particular version or this model, the small or the compact, it was made in mind for the United Kingdom users or buyers, because it does conform to the knife laws. So as far as I could read about it, this was designed to be compliant with their blade size and non-locking feature. Now, as far as variants goes, through the years, this is by now out for a couple of years. This design was produced in different kinds of limited rounds, special offers. You will find anything from G10 to different kind of micarta, carbon fiber, all sorts of different materials. If I'm not mistaken, there was also some kind of copper and so on. It varies because some dealers will order a batch with a specific material or specific color, and I could not count them all. But usually you will have materials like G10, micarta, CF, carbon fiber, and wood. As far as pricing goes, the MSRP of this particular model here on the website is $90 US. You can definitely find micarta ones for around $79 to $80. That is the same with the carbon fiber. G10 will be a little bit less, around $50. You can choose from colors like black, green, white, orange. So definitely lots of different colors. And the wood variant is around $70. Here in Europe, you will have to pay around 70 euros. I got this one from a specific dealer that I did found that they have these. I will also link it down below, but if you like to check out, they are called Zollner Messer, and they are also on Instagram, so a little bit of information for you. I usually do try to find some dealers and put them into the description down below, so you can check it out. So for around 70 euros, I am definitely really happy with this price point and what I'm getting. And finally, I have a brown micarta in my collection. So let me take out the box, so not to make a mess here here around. So let me show you this is the burgundy one that I had by now a couple of years. You can check it out. This is also really nice color. Let me put this aside, and here I have the full-size version. I did forget, yeah. So this is the knife center exclusive. I don't remember if they made also a small version with this really beautiful brown natural canvas micarta by Norplex. So this is the real deal, made in the United States. Not the knife, but the micarta, and it shipped to Real Steel in China. But when I'm talking about benchmark of a brown micarta, canvas micarta design, this is the color that I'm speaking of, that I would like to have. But yeah, you have different kinds of brown, and so I'm still not having a matching pair, so maybe in the future. The hunt still goes on. Okay, now let me show you a few size comparisons. Nice, here I have on the table. So this is another knife center exclusive, the CJRB Pyrite Alt, a really nice medium-sized EDC knife. And of course, here's the CVV Elementum. QSP Penguin. From CJRB, sorry, from Bestech, I have here the Twisted Assisted Junzi. Also, this one should be UK legal to carry. Feldspar Mini from CJRB with this beautiful burlap natural micarta. Small grip Reptilian from Benchmade. Benchmade Bug Out. Paramilitary 3. CVV Rustic Gent. Another beautiful modern traditional knife. From Kaiser I have here the OG China Carta on the pinch, a double D10 ball slip joint. The Big Lighter 2 from Kaiser. Red Model 2. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so this was the Real Steel Gslip Compact with this dark brown canvas micarta, designed by Ostap Hel. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, Wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.